So now we can use Dropbox on Perplexity AI. Basically, you can refer a document that you might have on your Dropbox account, and then you can ask Perplexity to read the content from the document, and maybe you can quickly get answer without actually reading the document. So if you want to do that, you must first connect your Dropbox account to Perplexity. Let me show you how you can do it. Alright, first let's go to perplexity.ai. You can use the desktop version, the mobile version, or maybe the web version. And then here you want to click on the paperclip icon right here, and then click connect files, and then select Dropbox. So basically you have to give it a permission to your Dropbox account. It's actually quite simple. Just click the allow button to allow both platforms to communicate together. So after that, after you have connected your Dropbox account with your Perplexity account, you can actually start using it. So I'm going to click on this paperclip account. I'm going to click Dropbox, and it will open this window where I can select the file that I want Perplexity to read. So I have this document, which is basically a list of some Gen Z slangs that are quite popular lately, and this is actually what the document looks like. It's just a list of 100 slangs that are used by Gen Z, and I want to use Perplexity to read the document and then tell me what is the slang number 39. Alright, what is the slang number 39? And after that, I'm going to send a message and just wait for Perplexity to read the document and then tell me the answer. So by the way, in case you are curious, the slang number 39 based on the document is this word. Yeah, this one, bad. This is the one. And let's see if Perplexity is able to get the accurate information. Alright, so I think I was using the reasoning model, that's why it took forever, but you don't have to use the reasoning model to use that. You can use any model. And according to Perplexity, the answer is indeed bad. Yeah, it is actually correct. Now, what would happen if I modify the document? Can Perplexity still able to read the most recent update of the document? Well, let's find out. I'm going to go back to Dropbox again. I'm going to basically edit the document. So I think it's possible to edit the document in Dropbox, at least for some files it is quite possible. Now I'm going to modify the slang number 39 with something else. Let me see. This is number 39. I'm going to replace it with chat. And let's click save and replace the original. So it is the same document that it was used by Perplexity. Now the file has been updated. I'm going to ask Perplexity again. Are you sure? Can you double check? Let's send a message again, and let's see. Oh, by the way, I think I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to be using the model that is a lot faster. All right, let's see if it is able to read the most recent version of the document. Yes, I can double check. According to the attached Gen Z slang, the list number 39 is bad. It's not chat. So yeah, it is not able to recall the most recent document. I'm sorry, the most recent version of the document. But it is possible for you to create a new chat window on Perplexity again, or you can also just remove it and you can refer to the document, the new version of the document once again, and you'll see that it will get, or it will pull the recent version of the document. So if you want to make sure that AI in Perplexity able to read the most recent version, then you have to manually quote unquote update the document. So I'm going to ask the same question once again. Are you sure? Or can you check again? All right, let's send a message, and you will see now it will give me a different answer. It is not saying bad anymore. It says chat. Yep, that's the one. So that's how you can use Dropbox on Perplexity. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.